Today we're going to create a composer package. We are just going to learn how to create a composer package. So I'll use this example of a ID generator package. So if you just look at the code in my application, we can see it is here. It is requiring UUID, and then we are creating we are just adding some features on it just to make it more complex. So the next thing we'll need to do is just to create the composer package, which is really easy. So I'll just go to my projects folder, and then I've created just a directory for the packages that I'm creating. So here I already created it earlier, but I'll just repeat it. So we'll just create a new directory here and name it ID generator. And then if we get into it, we open terminal here, and then open VS Code. After opening VS Code, we'll just open the terminal in VS Code and then type composer init. That will be used to create the package. So you'll be asked to create the package name, which will have two parts. The first part will be your GitHub username, which mine is Ong'udi, and then the package name is ID generator. You can just name it the way you want, but let me just name it that way. And okay, ID generator. Then you'll be asked for the description. Then I'll just type the author is me. I'll just press enter. Minimum stability, I'll just type stable. And then the next one, the package type is library. License, I don't have a license. Will you like define these dependencies? I'll just type no. No for the dev dependencies. And then do you want to map namespaces? Yeah, you need to map them. So I'll just type src then /. Do you confirm? Yes, I confirm. So just type yes, and then the package will be created. So now our package is created but doesn't have any classes inside it, so we need to define them. So before we even start creating the classes, I'll just need to remove this and just remain with the class, with the main namespace, which is ID generator. So I'll just create a file and name it ID generator.php. So inside it, I'll need to now import my code for the function, which I already have it in another file. So I'll just copy everything here, Control A, copy, and then I'll just go to this package and then paste it. Now you can see we have these components. We need this namespace as components. Our namespace is ID generator, so we'll just copy this and replace. So here we'll remove this and then paste ours. Now you can see it is using UUID, which we haven't imported it yet. So you just need to use Yii base component. I'm not sure if I really need this, so I'll just remove it and remove this too. So the remaining thing is just to add the package inside in our required section here in the composer.json. So I'll just go back to our project and copy the code. So here it was defined in the composer.json for the Yii2, and then I'll just get it. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Just copy the line, copy it, and then go back to the application, and then go back to the package you are creating, and then inside the require, just paste it here, and then I love specifying the latest version, so I'll just put an asterisk here. So we have just finished creating our package, and thank you for your time.